friends, I wanted to pop on real quick because I've been getting tons of boxes in because of course we have our fall winter events coming up. I'm super excited. I'm going to be in San Antonio next week for a couple days. So if anybody's in the San Antonio area, come by and see me and I'll let you know. Just let me know where, if you're going to be there, and I'll let you know where I'm going to be. But we'll be at the state fair after that. Super excited. We start the state fair at the end of September and it goes through October 20th. So I hope you'll come out and see us, but let's see what kind of goodies we have. I'm going to open just a couple today because I have several, but I thought I'd just start off a little small. So I think in this box, let me see. Oh, we got lots of goodies in this box. Let me see. I know in this one. Okay, so look here, y'all. If you didn't grab it last year before it sold out, the Mickey Jack-O-Lantern is back. Super duper cute Mickey Jack-O-Lantern. It was super popular last year. I'm going to open this up real quick. So I'm sitting down for just a second. So you'll be able to see me in just a second. Okay, so we have so much cuteness here. Just telling y'all. It's adorable. If you are Disney and Mickey fans, then you will absolutely love this. Super cute. And look at this cute little dish. It sits right in the top here. Adorable. Isn't that so cute? So cute. Came out last year, but they came back because they were so popular last year, we sold out. So if you didn't get one last year, you can still grab one now while supplies last. So most of what I'm about to show you is while supplies last. Some of them are still available, but some of them are gone. Oh, Catacomb. This is a new mini warmer. So this will plug straight into the wall, or you can buy our nightlight base. You know, any mini warmer you have, you can transition it into something that sits flat on a shelf if you didn't know that, with our tabletop base. But this is the Catacomb. It's a mini warmer, so it has the plug that goes in the bottom there. Or again, you can make it tabletop base dishes, or excuse me, the wax goes in there. This one, keep in mind, we also have colored light bulbs. So if you want it to glow something other than the kind of white through it, and it shines all the way through that. So you'll want to check that out. Let's see what other goodies we have here. Got the paper out of the way, the label out of the way. Okay, we got another nightlight here, Chilling Brew. This one is another return that was a huge hit last year and also sold out. Make sure I got that in the right box so I don't lose it. All right, this one looks really cute and funny when you put the wax in there. See, because he's just chilling. Trick or treat, it says. So if you are some of my Halloween fans, this is a good one for you. Chilling Brew. That's called Chilling Brew. It's also a nightlight, so it comes with a nightlight base. But again, you can get the tabletop base for it to work in that as well. Set it back there so I can put it together in a minute. Let's see what else we have here. Okay. Ominous Gaze. Ominous Gaze. So this one, you know, really I should keep in mind when I do these to have like an extension cord here to be able to plug in. But I try to make my videos kind of short and sweet. And when I do that, but I'm just unboxing it, you don't get to see everything blow through. But this one, just imagine it lit up and glowing. The bat eyes. All right. So cute. So cute. I actually looked in, weird fact about us, I looked into getting some bats. I wanted to figure out a way to get bats to come to our house so we can have bats, because they take mosquitoes, right? They take care of all the mosquito requests. And so, but you need water, close by water. So if you want bats, you need a water source for the bats, which you can create and make, but you just need to make sure you have a good environment for them. So, just some fun little facts. Okay, this one, ooh, Pumpkin Sparkle. If you're still a pumpkin lover, we've got Pumpkin Sparkle, but maybe you're not Disney or you're not into Mickey, but you just want one of our adorable pumpkin warmers. This is the new one for the year, and it is very, very cute. Okay, so that's going to sit on top along with the dish there. Let me show you the cuteness of this. All of our warmers, don't forget, come with a lifetime warranty on them. Are you ready for this? Look at the sparkle on that. And again, you can look these up and I can help you find a picture too if you're interested in showing you the these lit up and how gorgeous they are when you light them up, because that sparkle really shines through on them. And it is going to glow all the way through. So I'll put that together in a second. Make sure this goes with that. All right, let's see what else we got in here. A few more goodies. These are that. Yes, okay. Retro blue truck with pumpkin. Y'all have loved the trucks. So they brought back the blue truck with the pumpkin delivery system. In the past, we have had a Christmas tree you can interchange on the back of the truck. So let me show you how this works just in case you haven't seen our truck before. We have different colored trucks, but right now the blue one is the one that is currently available. We have had black, white, and pink in the past. Blue is currently available along with the pumpkins. Okay, so see? So the nice thing about this truck. Nice thing about this truck, so just make sure, there you go. Okay, is you can use it without. So it can be just a cute truck year round. You can put pumpkins on top. Okay. If you can find, we don't have them currently, but if they bring back ever the Christmas tree, there's a Christmas tree. There was also little apples, a little orchard, little apples. I think we might have had one other one, but I cannot remember what it was. I feel like, well, I'm going to say it wrong if I say it wrong. So I'm not even going to tell you what I think we had in the past, because maybe I forgot. Because let's just be, it just happens. When you've been in this business for 14 years, it just happens. You forget some of the things that we came out with. Okay, let me see if I've got any other new goodies in here. Some of these are duplicates. I already showed you that. Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh, Harvest. Harvest Bounty, another returning one. Another returning pumpkin that was so loved last year. Let me show you this one. Put your instructions back in the right spot. It's getting crazy in here, all the things. Okay, cute little pumpkin top here. All right, so it's going to have that top. We set it there. All right, so this one's a little more squatty pumpkin. Look how cute that is. Simple, adorable. It's got the holes on top to release the scent out. This is an element warmer, no light bulb, no light. If you don't like light in your space, then this is the perfect warmer for you to still have that fall decor. Super, super, super duper cute. Okay, let's see. I've got two more, one more. Let's see. Two more. Oh, this one, I just don't know that this one's going to do justice without light, because it is a new pumpkin warmer that I promise you some of you are going to absolutely love. I'm going to just put my stuff back here real quick so I don't get things all mixed up. Pumpkins with pumpkins, all that jazz. All right, slide that back. Here we go. I have two more warmers and then I'm done. Tangled Web. Tangled Web. And of course there's a ton of wax in here, so maybe I'll do another one later where I open up the wax and we smell them together. All right, Tangled Web. Of course, we've got to have our pumpkin top. Okay, there is the top and the dish that goes in this one, called Tangled Web, and it is a pumpkin. You ready for this? And again, this is just one that you just really need to have lit up. So I apologize that it is not lit up. And I should have, if I could have even had, if I had another, oh, hold on. Let me grab my, oh, don't fall over. Don't fall over. Wait right there. Wait right there. Okay. I know y'all are like, what are you doing, lady? You're crazy. Oh, see how much better it is when you get some glow to it? Look at that, y'all. Grab my mom's phone. I have my mom's phone on the table over there. Look at the webs through that. See, you can't tell that just here looking. You can kind of see it with some of the light, but once you shine, look at there. See how that glows? Okay, note to self, have a flashlight every time I do these videos so y'all can see them. Okay, all right, I told you I had one more. Here we go. For those of you that love the haunted houses, we've got Vintage Estate. Love their creative, cute little names. Vintage Estate, right? I actually would love an old house. Should be able to fix up. All right, let's see what we have in here. Okay, so this one is metal. So it is a metal warmer. You can hear that. There is the little top there for you. And here is the warmer. And you can see, let's get it glowing for you here. Take the dish out for a second. If I can't, actually, I might be able to glow through it. Let's see. Oh yeah, there you go. See? So it shines through the windows. All right, and then of course you have your top here. Voila, so there you go. Vintage Estate, super cute, right? Vintage Estate. So there you go. There is a couple boxes coming in for my State Fair haul here. So we will have these out for you to check out at the State Fair while supplies last, while they're out there. Obviously they could go fast, but all of these are still available on our website, so you can still shop them now or let us know when we can get an order in for you. And so hope you guys are having a wonderful Thursday, and I'll chat with you later. Bye, guys.